Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This week I'm gonna be making another hijab tutorial. So let's do it. Hi guys, so the first thing that I've done is कि मैं एक साइड जो है वो बिल्कुल छोटी रखी है and दूसरी साइड जो है वो मैंने थोड़ी लंबी रखी है. So what I'm gonna do is कि मैं ये वाली साइड लूँगी and I am going to take it back and pin it right here. Okay, now this corner that you have a little folded in the front, हम इसको लेंगे और हम इसको यहाँ से साइड पे लेके जाएंगे. Bring it toward the back and here. मुझे कुछ नजर नहीं आ रहा. A little tighter. So that गला ना नजर आए, but not that tight as well. Okay. And another pin on this side. मैं तो छुपाने की वैसे टेंशन नहीं लेती पिने, but if you want to do it like हाथ घुसाओ के अंदर से, तो you're welcome to do that. So this takes minimum pins, but I do think if you want to wear an under cap underneath it, this will set more nicely with the under cap. So let me show you a montage. Okay, so comment below what you think, and do you want me to make more hijab tutorials? I would love to make more for you guys. So comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!